What's up everybody, Scott from villagesvideo.com here. I just wanted to take a minute and say welcome to the channel if you're new. If you're not, I am going to do kind of a Q&A session. I've had a lot of questions that I get asked quite a bit. Why do you do videos? Do you live in the Villages? Why do you cheer for the Packers? Where are you from in Wisconsin? On the channel and certain videos, a lot of them have to do with us as a family, why we do it, things like that. First of all, like I said at the beginning, my name is Scott. My wife Natalie and I have a son and daughter, Ethan and Alexis. Ethan's 12, Alexis is 4. We live in the Summerfield area, just about 10 minutes from the Spanish Springs town square. We have goats, chickens, a food truck, and we both work for the Marion County School Board. I'm a high school teacher. My kids sometimes watch my videos and comment. If you're one of the kids like Tiago or Javon, drop a comment. I know you're waiting for a shout out, so
there it is.
I worked in the Villages at MVP Health Club or MVP Athletic Club, sports clubs, whatever you want to call it. I worked in both the Brownwood one and the Spanish Springs one. I worked for the company for about 5 years. I left once in the middle.
Yeah, I left.
And then went back. I went to Spanish Springs as a sales manager and worked. So you might have seen me in the bottom of the Spanish Springs MVP signing members up and giving tours. I am originally from New Glarus, Wisconsin. My parents moved down here when I was 14. That's why I'm a huge Packer fan. You can see all the Packer stuff in the background here. It does grow. People give it to me all the time because not a lot of people like the Packers down here. They like the Bucks.
Ugh.
I really love the Packers. I'd do anything for the Packers. I follow them closely. My parents moved us down here when I was 14. After high school, I went in the military for several years and I spent time on active duty and in the reserves. I did a lot of time in Hawaii. Deployed 3 times, twice to Afghanistan and once to Iraq in the middle. That's where I met Natalie. That's how we found each other, which thank goodness we did. A friend of mine actually came up with the name Papa Pineapples. We were sitting in the break room trying to come up with a name for the food truck. Because of my time in Hawaii, I wanted to incorporate that. So lo and behold, he came up with the name Papa Pineapples. It stuck, and here we are. I've had the business for about 6 years. Started out as a food truck, added a food trailer, had a couple restaurants. Of course, we opened them up like right in the beginning of this whole pandemic. We opened one up in September of 2020, and then we opened the other one up in December of 2020. Looking back on it now, our biggest month was February, and then March was a shutdown. So we got crushed, and I had to shut them down. But, you know, a lot of people ask me why I do videos of the Villages. So obviously I worked in the Villages for some time. I really enjoy the Villages. My background is business. My degree is in business, so I really love the ability for the developer, and I have a great admiration, I would say, for the developer and what they've done, the amount that they've grown in a short time. When I went away to the military and came back and saw the expansion in the second portion of the Villages down by Lake Sumter, and then the third portion of the Villages at Brownwood, it was incredible. It really is amazing. And if you were here in the beginning when it was just a trailer park and the hospital and a Publix, then you know what I'm talking about. The channel was originally geared toward the food truck and the restaurants, that business. The reason why I changed it is back in May during the pandemic, I went out and did a drone video for one of my friends. My friend was asking me to do a drone video for Brownwood just to get some footage for him. I did the video, I threw it together, and everybody loved it. I ended up getting like 300 subscribers in a weekend, so I did a couple more videos of the Villages, and then it's kind of morphed along the way. Our channel is still very young, so when people ask me about what my idea or where I'm taking this channel. I'm just taking it day by day. My goal is not to be out here running YouTube like a business. I'm a teacher. I'm out here having fun, making videos that I enjoy, and when I don't enjoy them anymore, I won't make them. The channel's probably going to change over time. That's fine, but I really enjoy making videos. I'm going to continue making videos about this type of content, and we'll see where it goes. We have plenty of time to change along the way.